Guess what? We're back again.
We're not going anywhere, so get used to us.
Yeah. So we ended up at a little place called Dairy Queen.
One of my favorites.
We did 4 blizzards, 2 of which are brand new, and then 2 of which are brought back for the holiday season.
Oh, this is an interesting get up. We got mini ones, but she put them way to waste plastic, Stuart.
What is this one?
I don't know. Snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle. I was about to say it was Snickerdoodle with Snickers because it doesn't say it in the name.
What is a
apparently.
Snickerdoodle made with, though, besides Snickers? Well, we're going to find out.
We're gonna find out.
It just looks like there's a bunch of Snickers in there.
Snicker
Snickers.
Doodle.
Doodle.
Yeah. That's why there's a lot of Snickers.
But what's
in-
the doodle?
A lot of peanut butter. It's a peanut butter.
We don't know.
No.
No.
No, because Snickers has peanuts in it. Right? Yeah.
Yes. Caramel chocolate peanuts. It's good.
Again, we always do our homework prior to bringing these things to you.
We are prepared.
We are repaired.
Pro-repaired.
And
It's good.
too peanut buttery for me.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the pumpkin. There was a longer name to it, but I don't know what it was.
It's a new one for the month.
It's one of the new ones, yeah.
What was it called?
Pumpkin pie.
Oh yeah, it was pumpkin pie. Was that?
Oh dear Lord.
And this is the only one with whipped cream.
Yeah, because it's a pumpkin pie. Pies will have whipped cream on it, and then she's
What's it
sprinkled.
smell like?
Either nutmeg or I think she just went in my throat.
Like it's not even happening. I'm sorry, I really had to do that. You didn't even mess it up though. Look, it's still beautiful.
I don't know what the hell that she sprinkled on there.
I'm not smelling.
I think it's nutmeg.
Ooh, it's
Right?
pumpkin-y. I don't know what nutmeg
It
smells
smells like a friggin' potpourri is what it smells like.
That's nutmeg. It smells good. I want a nutmeg.
Or is it?
scent
It's
for my
not
car.
cinnamon, right? No.
No, I don't know.
What do people sprinkle on pumpkin pies?
Oh, that's not cinnamon. Is it pumpkin sprinkle? I don't know. Tastes like pumpkin. Is nutmeg pumpkin? Okay, we're going in. Okay. It's very festive. I feel festive.
I don't even like pumpkin, just FYI.
I don't either.
And here we are.
Here we are. I think if you like pumpkin, you'd like it.
It's not as bad as my face is showing.
Big whipped cream's good. It's very pumpkin-y. Tastes like pumpkin.
Yeah. It's okay. What's next?
What? This was a snickerdoodle. That girl.
Was that the cinnamon bun thing? She never gave us a cinnamon.
We have 2 snickerdoodles. One says snicker, one says snickerdoodle.
She's going to hell. Quickly.
Wow.
Bitch.
Wow. Just wow.
Okay, so now this is the
The
same
mystery.
thing.
It says snickerdoodle. I don't know. What does the other one look like? They don't look the same. Oh, I think this is a cinnamon bun one. I think it was Snicker with cinnamon bun.
We don't know.
Or maybe
we don't know.
I think one was Snickers and one was Snickerdoodle.
Why the hell would they bring back Snickers there all the time?
I know. This one's cinnamon bun.
Mm-hmm.
This is a cinnamon bun Snickers. It's really good. It tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It tastes like, ironically enough, a cinnamon bun.
You don't say.
Wow. Oh, I could eat this whole
It's
thing.
got little mini cinnamon bun
Mhm.
crunches in it. So it's pretty good.
But it's like cake. When I say it's not like a crunch, it's a cakey, like a cinnamon bun.
Like it's soft.
So, right. Okay, so far this is the best. The next one is a berry, something or the other, which I can guarantee I'm not gonna like it.
What was a berry?
And this one is a new one.
Cheesecake?
No. I'm saying no, it could be. I don't know.
I think it was berry something.
Who the hell is gonna have a berry cheesecake?
That's
That
true.
just sounds nasty.
This is actually, I always get the berry one when I go there. So this is my favorite. I just don't know what these little, they look like little loaves of
It's like
bread.
chunks of something floating around.
Make sure you get a chunk.
No. I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Why, you don't like berries?
I don't know. I'm not going to where are we? A Dairy Queen to have a berry. No.
That's
I
what
want like chocolate, fattening, disgusting
Cinnamon
crap.
buns.
Yes.
Yeah. Quit yapping and eat. This is my favorite.
This just tastes like a
It's graham cracker. I think that's what those things are.
I think you're making stuff up.
It tastes like what?
Like a smoothie, like a berry smoothie.
Wow.
Cinnamon bun is
That
the
makes
best
me
one.
very happy.
Where's the cinnamon one?
Don't worry about it.
Give me, woman.
What?
You don't like this one? The
Well-
cinnamon bun?
A little too cinnamony for me. See? You guys think we're alike, but we're not.
I don't even like her really.
Oh no! I got whipped cream on me. Well, in conclusion, I like the berry.
Oh, and I like the
There.
got a shiver.
Chills.
And the cinnamon roll.
I think it's cinnamon bun. Or cinnamon roll.
So try them out at Dairy Queen. I don't
Yeah.
know how long they're gonna be there,
You can get the little minis. They're little
Yeah.
ones. So,
so you don't have to.
yeah, just get them all. All the minis.
Try each one. I mean, they're a little pricey, but whatever.
YOLO.
What is YOLO?
You know what YOLO is? You only live once. On that note, we're signing off.
Yeah,
I've got a lot to teach this one.
clearly.
Till next time.
Takes a village.